Hi, I'm Pablo Rodriguez, Director of Artistry for Illamasqua. With this Ultimate Eye Kit, everything you need is here. Brow products, eyeliner, sealing gel, and even one of my favorite Illamasqua products, the experimental eyeshadow palette. A good selection of pencils is a must in any makeup kit. These are soft, versatile, and easy to blend. They can be used to define, brighten up, or as an eyeshadow base for intensity and longevity. The experimental palette is basically a color wheel. Go for it pure or mix it with any of the basic natural shades from the elemental palette. The sky is the limit. With the rich black mascara and gel liner, you can finish off any makeup look. Go subtle or pack on the drama. All these highly pigmented products are so easy to use. You decide how sheer or intense you want the color to show. The pure pigments are very refined and highly reflected glitters that can be used wet or dry. Mix them with sealing gel to create your own waterproof formula. The eyes are the window of the soul and your creativity.